Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Notorious Notary. Choose the correct interval notation from the table. So in Schoology, there is a table. On this example, there is not. I give you a whole bunch of multiple choice of picking the correct interval notation. So interval notation is that weird way to represent inequalities with both hard brackets and soft brackets. So I actually like to do a quick mini graph, and that helps me do the interval notation. So we have x is less than 17. So here's a 17. Open circle on 17, and it's less than. Okay, so what does that mean? That means 17 would be our right endpoint, and if it's an open circle, less than open, it has a soft bracket, and this goes off to negative infinity, so I'm going to do negative infinity symbol right here. And then infinity symbols always have a soft bracket. Okay, there we go. So if you have a equal to, that's going to be a hard bracket, so we'll see one of those in a second. So anytime you have an open dot, a less than, it's going to be a soft bracket, a curved bracket, all right? So what do you mean by a hard bracket, Mr. K? Well, let's do a -5, excuse me, and this would be greater than or equal to, so we'd have a solid dot on 5 going to the right. Okay, so this helps me kind of map out my interval notation. We're going to have a solid bracket on 5 because it's a solid boundary point. -5 is included. Maybe the soft bracket says, hey, 17 is not included. So maybe that's what it means. -5, yes. 17, all the way up to it, but not 17. Let's see here. Then we're going to the right, so we're going off to positive infinity forever and ever and ever. So positive infinity on that side. Infinities always have a soft bracket. Okay. I guess I got to put the negative infinity over here. So graphing these for a split second makes writing them in interval notation a little bit easier for me. I like to draw things based off pictures. So if I were to go from if I was to go from the written form all the way to interval notation, that'd be a bit more tricky. But I like to draw a picture just to kind of help me out there. I like to draw off pictures. So here we go. Next one. Ooh, that's a pretty darn good straight line if I do say so myself. We have x is between -12 and 30. So there's a -12 over here. Open boundary point. 30 is over here. Close boundary point. Let's play connect the dots. Okay, so -12 is my left boundary point, comma. 30 is my right boundary point. Solid bracket on this side, or a hard bracket, and then a soft bracket on that side. There we go. That's how you do interval notation, students. I like to graph really quick, and then that helps me with the symbols. It's easier for me in my mind to match the type of circle with the type of bracket. So as you can see, open circle, soft bracket, solid circle, hard bracket, open, soft, closed, hard bracket. So as you can see, I like to draw a picture first. That helps me line them up. But interval notation, again, is just a fancy way to, I guess, maybe type out all of the solutions to inequalities, I guess. But yeah, that's what it is. You have a table to choose from. I did these from scratch, but you too can graph and then answer them too. All right, I'm rambling on here. We'll see you in class.